Hi students, Happy New Year to all. Welcome to English class. We have completed 2 parts already. This is the last part of the lesson. Let us get into the lesson. Before that, just we will recall the 2 parts what we have studied. What you have learnt about Sachin Tendulkar. First part we have seen that how did he started playing games and what are the struggles he has gone through. The second part is suggested that how did he go to the school where the Tsar was the coach and how did he do his practice, especially the summer camp. The last 15 minutes, very crucial time. How did he manage to get out to win the coin, everything we have seen this. The third part we are going to see the remaining lesson. The third part begins with traveling. Occasionally, my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me to a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable, because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sister. My father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted, just to see me happy. On other days, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep on the bus. If I managed to sit down, anyone who has been on Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. On days when I wasn't so lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with the head back because the bus conductors would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. It could be embarrassing because the conductors were often rude and would sometimes ask me to buy 2 tickets. I did not have the money for a second ticket and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. Dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment, which time I evolved a way of wrapping the head bag around me, just as the helmet and pads became a part of me while batting, so the head bag became an extension of me on the bus. I would often take the bus or train from Bandra to Churchgate. It was all a great learning experience. After facing his practice, he has to travel by bus from Shivaji Park to his house. Sometime father would come and pick up him to take him to home. At the time, just he would demand the juice, that is the juice he would ask for him. So he felt it little bit silly because father has to take care of his brother as well as his sister. So later he felt that it was silly, but father fulfilled whatever he asked. And during the bus journey, it was very difficult one at the peak time. It is very difficult to travel. If he gets a place, he would sleep. But if he don't get, he has to stand throughout his traveling, especially taking that kit bag and bat and wet clothes, etc. So it is very embarrassing for Sachin to travel on the bus. Even sometimes the conductor would scolding him because the head bag occupying the place there, someone would stand. So he asked for the money also, extra ticket for his bag. At the time, Sachin did not have money to pay him. So he had to face a lot of difficulties during the journey. Helmet and purse became a part of Sachin while batting. He has mentioned this was an embarrassing moment that he has faced, but he has taken a positive way to come up in the life. So this is the first thing that he mentioned about his journey, which to him uncomfortable in the bus. Even though I loved cricket, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home was such fun that I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to the nets. If I did not turn up, Achreka sir would jump on to his scooter and come to find me. Sir would spot me in the melee and virtually track me out. I would come up with excuses, but he would have none of it. He would get me to change and head off to Shivaji Park. On the drive, he would tell me, "Don't waste your time playing insane games with these kids. Cricket is waiting for you at the nets. Practice hard and see what magic can transpire." Even though Sachin loved cricket, but if he doesn't get coaching from Sir, and he played and took coaching from Sir in the Shivaji Park. Sometimes he used to play with the colony boys. He loved playing with the colony boys, and he did not go for the practice. When Sir comes to know, he takes his bike and come to pick up Sachin wherever he is, and used to scold Sachin and drag him to the ground. So this also happened because Sir had taken more interest on him. So sometimes he would not go to the practice. Sir advised Sachin, "Don't waste your time. Playing with the colony boys, you have to practice in the net very hard so that you become the greatest player." Need to have proper career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do, and you will be successful. At the time, I hated being dragged off, but as I look back, I feel sheepish about my actions and can only admire Achrekar Sir's farsightedness. Sachin Tendulkar advised us everyone that we need to set a goal that has to be very successful in future. We should not set a goal that is unreachable. So we have to select a goal that is to be reachable. The selecting process of goal is very important. And another step is you have to work towards your goal each and every day, so that you can a successful person. Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me a very important lesson. Once I bunked my daily evening practice to watch an inter-school cricket match, not anticipating that Sir would be there. He was angry and he said it wasn't for me to come and watch other people play for. If I practiced hard enough, one day people from across the world would come and watch me play. Had it not been for Sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. He was a strict disciplinarian and he did everything he could for me. I owe myself to him. Even sometime our Sachin Tendulkar bunked practice and he would watch the inter-school game. So Sir would get angry on him because he just skipped the practice and watching other games. He scolded him, sometimes he punished him for not coming to the practice. He told he should not watch this game. You have to practice well so that the entire world has to watch your game. The net is waiting for you. The cricket game is waiting for you. You have to play well so that everyone is waiting. The ground is waiting for you. How to make the entire country would look at you. That is the thing you have to do. This is the advice given by Achrekar Sir. Sachin is in his autobiography. He mentioned that Sir is very strict and very disciplinary man. He has guided him a lot and he was so helpful to make him a very greatest cricket player. Because of him only, he has ordinary man has become an extraordinary cricket player in the world. He has won many awards in the world. Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Award, Padma Shri Award, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna Award. So these are the awards were given to Sachin Tendulkar. So he has reached the highest in his cricket world. Because of his hard work, struggles he went through, just he advising us whatever the goal he choose, He have to be confident with that. He have to select the goal that are very reachable, and he need to work towards a goal regularly so that he can see little bit of improvement each and every day that will help us to reach our ambition. Successful people were kept on training until they reached their goal. Let us discuss some questions what we have learned so far. What did Sachin's father do just to make Sachin happy? Sachin's father was not financially good. He would buy a special fruit cocktail when he took Sachin home just to make him happy. What did embarrass Sachin in the bus? Sachin carried his hit bag in the bus. The bag was too big. The conductor scolded him. Moreover, his dirty clothes also embarrassed him. What made Sachin forget to go to nets? Playing with his friends at home made Sachin forgot to go to nets. What did Achrekar advise Sachin? Achrekar advised Sachin not to waste his time playing insane games with his friends. Meanings: hit bag, a long cylindrical canvas bag used to carry cricket accessories. Stride, a step or stage in progress towards an aim. Embarrassment, a feeling of self-conscious, shame or awkwardness. Melee, a confused crowd of people. Transpire, come to be known, revealed. Far-sightedness, showing a prudent awareness of future possibilities. Bunked, to make oneself absent from a class or session. Crossroads, to be at a point when you have to make a very important decision. Deteriorated, became worse. Influence, the capacity to have an effect on the character development. Peer, person of same age, status or ability. Passion, strong desire. Ultimately, being the best or most extreme example. Dear students, study short answers paragraph given in the PDF. Thank you.